Today we're in Kingfisher, Oklahoma at the Chisholm Trail Museum and Horizon Hill Mansion, and it is the Chuck Wagon Festival, an annual event attended by hundreds of folks from across the state. We're celebrating the history of the Chisholm Trail, the heritage of the Chisholm Trail, and the heritage of the West. There are Chuck Wagon cooks from across the state and across the region gathered here today on the museum grounds and cooking and demonstrating what life would have been like on the trail in the 19th century. Musicians, storytellers, we've got horses, we've got ponies, we've got mules, we've got everything your heart desires here in Kingfisher today.